French media is reporting that Tesla will soon announce and make Model 2 made in Germany. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to Tesla Daily News from Torque News and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Also, if you have any tips, please send me any tips to report here. Argus, a French language media, is reporting that Tesla will soon make Model 2 and it will be made in Germany. We haven't found many information on that, but it says to perform more effectively in Europe, Tesla must fight on an equal footing with local manufacturers. A strategy that holds in 3 points: a model of right size, designed and manufactured on site. In short, an ID3, or rather a Model 2 designed in Europe and assembled in Berlin. Argus says Tesla is seriously considering investing in the European market for compact electric vehicles, and for this, the firm of charismatic Elon Musk will provide the means, that means the money. It starts with a model in the right format for the European market. Indeed, even if since its inception the American manufacturer has continued to go down market and each time offer a new model smaller than the previous one, Tesla has never yet attacked the main market of the old Europe. Compact cars. When I said we'll start from the right size model, I didn't mean in Europe to start with Model 2. We know that at Tesla Giga Berlin, Tesla is going to start from the Model Y production. But the first designed car in Europe, according to this media, will be Model 2. For example, the shortest model in the catalog, the Tesla Model 3, has a size of about 4.69 meters, a format which assimilates it to the family sedan segments, such as the Peugeot 508, which is 4.75 meters long, or a Volkswagen Passat, which is 4.77 miles, while that of a compact sedan remains on average around 4.3 meters. In other words, Elon Musk has to pull a new Russian doll kind of out of his head. Says Argus Media. The CEO of Tesla said on November 24, 2020, at the European Conference on Batteries, the initiative of the German government, saying, in Europe it might make sense to do, I imagine, a compact car, maybe a 5-door or something like that, Elon Musk said. And to add, in the United States, cars tend to be bigger for reasons of personal taste. In Europe, they tend to be smaller. Now, a compact sedan design. In summary, Tesla will have its own kind of Golf, the benchmark compact sedan on the European market, or more precisely, its electric equivalent, the ID3. In addition to match realities and local demand as closely as possible, this unique compact sedan will be designed on the old continent, according to Elon Musk. Or the question remains open. In fact, at the present time, Tesla does not have any style center on our side of Atlantic, on their side of Atlantic, says the Argus, because it's a French media, so that's why they say on our side of Atlantic. Its only design office right now is located in Hawthorne, California. But you guys, if you remember, I have reported earlier that Tesla may be buying the famous gasometer in Berlin to make its design center. But we also know that the authorities in Grünheide specifically named the entrance to Tesla Giga Berlin as Tesla Straße to lure Tesla to bring its headquarters, European headquarters, to Giga Berlin. Giga Berlin is going to be huge area with battery production, with car production, and who knows, maybe they will do that. So while the only design center is in California, in Hawthorne, California. However, the Argus says, according to the industrial logic recently put in place by Tesla, a European-style office should be set up in the heart of Gigafactory in Berlin. The giant factory, which is currently emerging from the earth up, it should be operational during 2021, as I've reported here many times, and in which this future compact Tesla Model 2 would be manufactured. Earlier this year, Tesla adopted a similar strategy in the Chinese market by housing a second design center in its Gigafactory Shanghai. Guys, I don't know if the designing center in Shanghai is inside the Giga Shanghai or outside elsewhere. If anyone knows, please let me know in the comment section. That would be interesting to know. Now, finally, Tesla did not invent anything. Korean manufacturers like Kia and Hyundai have already for many years established their districts in Europe with a style center located in Frankfurt and a factory in Slovakia. Tesla just optimized the recipe by adopting an all-in-one formula. It is still too early to bring forward a date for the presentation and then marketing of this future Tesla, which could be called Model 2. And the media has already been calling it Tesla Model 2. But in his action, Elon Musk will undoubtedly go to great lengths to make this happen. Probably do quickly, and we're gonna kind of continue looking at where the Model 2 is going to be. If you remember, in September of this year, Tesla said that it will be making new original electric vehicle models as both its Shanghai and Berlin Gigafactories. CEO and co-founder Elon Musk said in September, also confirming that the US $25,000 vehicle touted as last week during that battery day would not be the Model 3 but a future smaller car. Since it's going to be a future smaller car than the Model 3, people thought it was going to be called Model 2. Now, in a series of tweets in response to Tesla market analyst Cathie Wood of ARK Invest, Musk divulged some more details then about the numerous revelations on the battery day. If you remember, the battery day was met with some disappointment also as well as excitement by those expecting a million-mile battery, resulting in a share fall briefly. But then Wood joined other analysts in saying that the investors who downgraded then the price target missed the point of battery day. Predictably, when Elon Musk announced a battery day, then the Tesla stock would cut the price of a Model 3 to $25,000. Several financial analysts panicked, downgrading the stock and or cutting their price targets. In their view, traditional financial analysts have missed the mark, Wood wrote on Twitter. Musk jumped in to correct the statement about the $25,000 electric vehicle, which we think may be called Model 2, saying that it will not be cheaper Model 3, but a new, smaller model. So on September 27th, Cathie Wood tweeted saying, predictably, when Elon Musk announced a battery day last week that Tesla would cut the price of the Model 3 to $25,000, several financial analysts panicked, downgrading the stock and or cutting their price targets. In our view, from ARK Invest, the traditional financial analysts have missed the mark. She says they missed the mark of most important things that Tesla and Elon Musk have announced during the battery day. Now, on that, Elon Musk commented saying on September 28th that we aren't cutting the price of Model 3 to $25,000. I was referring to a future car that will be smaller than Model 3. So we're looking forward to seeing Tesla opening its design center in Europe, in Germany, either in Berlin gasometer or in in Gigafactory itself. If it's in Gigafactory itself, it should be maybe next year, because right now there is no place to work there, although Elon Musk went and slept there in the conference room of the factory that hasn't been finished yet. But in the meantime, Model 2 compact Tesla vehicle designs are surfacing on the internet. In fact, yesterday at Torque News, one of our new contributors named Glyn Williams from UK proposed an interesting concept design of his rendering of Tesla Model 2. If you haven't seen, please go to torquenews.com/Tesla and you will see that it's titled as Tesla Model 2 New Rendering, 5-door compact and higher driving position. See what you think about that design. You have been seeing pictures here too. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are. Please like this video, it helps us. If you guys have any tips, in the video tips you want to send me to report, please email it to me. You can find my email in the about page of this video YouTube channel, the Torque News YouTube channel. I'll see you in our next report. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. God bless you everyone, and see you soon.